Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the best 3D printer for making statues. The output of each 3D printer varies greatly depending on the model and its features. The 3D printer is an incredibly versatile tool and can be used for various projects, including making statues. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for armor. To help you out, we've researched and compiled a list of the top 3D printers for statues. This printer is best for users who need high-end quality results for their statue projects. This printer is also beneficial for those who need sharp and precise details for their statues. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Snapmaker Modular 3-in-1 3D printer. Step into the extraordinary world of creativity with the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer. This remarkable machine unlocks your full artistic potential, providing an exhilarating journey from imagination to reality. With its cutting-edge features, it's no wonder it reigns supreme as the #1 choice for printing statues. Picture this, a vast work area stretching before you, beckoning you to bring your wildest ideas to life. The Snapmaker A350T/A250T offers an expansive canvas, allowing you to craft statues of epic proportions or multiple miniature masterpieces in one go. It's a playground for your imagination, limited only by the boundaries of your creativity. But it doesn't stop there. The modular design of the A350T/A250T takes customization to the next level. With a wide array of add-ons and modules available, the possibilities are endless. Enhance your printer with an enclosure, rotary module. Say goodbye to noisy disruptions and hello to a serene creative environment. Thanks to the noise reduction chip and optimized linear modules, this printer operates with a whisper, ensuring you can immerse yourself in the magic of making. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link